Hello, welcome to China Robots Now, and this is the third weekly update for September 2025. In the past week, we saw three humanoid robot companies in Shenzhen and Shanghai pursuing the same development strategy by working with partners to expand robot applications. On September 11th, Shenzhen-based AI² Robotics signed an agreement with XYZ IoT Technology Service to deploy over 1,000 humanoid robots in the next 3 years. This is the first large-scale deployment of humanoid robots in the semiconductor display industry. AI² Robotics provides the wheeled alphabot, which will be initially handle tasks involving PCBs. But they are also designed for logistics, material handling, assembly, and quality control. Although the deal amount was not disclosed, industry watchers estimate that this cooperation could be worth up to 500 million yuan, based on the unit cost of such robots. Also in Shenzhen, on September 12th, AI signed a deal with Duolan Technology to employ over 2,000 units over the next 3 years. These robots will be used in public security, traffic management, and retail sectors. Duolan was established in 1995 and offers driver training and testing, as well as smart city solutions in China. This agreement follows Duolan's July investment into AI to establish a research center. In Shanghai, Kepler is a humanoid robot company. It has partnered with Roadshow Technology, Ningbo Junwu, and Ground Pro to develop and mass-produce home robots, targeting 1 million units in 3 years. So in this cooperation, Kepler will provide the VLA model for the mobility, interaction, and semantic understanding. The Roadshow will contribute its manufacturing and market channels for the large-scale delivery. And then Ground Pro will enhance the system integration and user experience with its household robot expertise. Kepler also released a new demo video showing a straight knee gait, similar to that of humans. Now to Ant Group. Its robotics unit, called Lingbo Keji in Chinese, or Robbyant, has drawn attention with the unveiling of its R1 robot. Some media, including The Verge, compared the R1 to Tesla's Optimus, which I believe is an overestimation of its current capabilities. The R1 debuted at the IFA 2025 Tech Show in Berlin, and where videos showed it moving quite slowly. R1 was also promoted at the Inclusion Conference on the Bond in Shanghai. So this wheeled two-armed humanoid robot, it used parts from companies actually backed by Ant Group. According to Bloomberg, suppliers include TI5 Robot for its joint modules and Galaxy AI for the chassis. Ant Group invested in Galaxy AI in February and invested in TI5 Robot in June. Of course, Ant Group has also invested in other startups, such as Linkerbot, making the dexterous hands, Unitree, and Astribot. Interestingly, Ant Group's own press release from the conference didn't emphasize the R1 robot. Instead, it highlighted its AI-powered healthcare service called AQ, such as taking a photo to detect if you have some skin problems. It also highlighted its voice-controlled payment. Okay, speaking about Galaxy AI, its co-founder, Xu Huazhe, said that there's undoubtedly a bubble in the humanoid robot sector based on the current industry revenues and valuations. On September 12th, Guangdong's company called Topstar unveiled its wheeled humanoid robot, featuring a 20 kg dual-arm payload, adjustable height from 120 to 180 centimeters. It is designed for injection molding operations. The demo video shows the robot capable of various tasks, such as sorting, inspection, and workshop patrol. Generally speaking, China's humanoid robot sector is dominated by startups like Edibot, Galebot, Unitree, Lejü, and Engine AI, but established manufacturers like Topstar, Meidi, and some car makers are also emerging as active players. Some financing news in the humanoid sector. First, XYZ Embodied AI, called yuan, was established in just August 1st last month. So it has raised 200 million yuan, approximately $28 million in its angel round. The investors included leading institutions such as CAS Star, Hill House, and other investors, including Edibot, the Shanghai-based startup. So this XYZ Embodied AI was incubated by the Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence, and the founding team includes CEO Liu Dong, who was the former general manager of Jingdong of JD Intelligent Driving. Robstride Dynamics, called Lingzhu Shidai, is a Beijing-based provider of integrated robot actuators. It raised tens of millions of yuan from investors, including Hongshan Seed Fund, Highlight Capital. It was established in November 2023. It has already delivered over 50,000 units to 26 countries and regions, and its confirmed orders for the whole of 2025 are expected to exceed 100 million yuan. So finally, on September 9th, Robbyant, 筑藤巨创, Robbyant began mass deliveries of its new LiDAR to automakers. I mention this because Robbyant's LiDAR is also used by some models of Unitree robots. Okay, that's all for this episode.